Hi everyone, so in this lecture we are going to learn about tokenization. What is tokenization? So what we will do, we will explain this concept. Okay, tokenization basically means splitting a string with respect to some delimiters. Okay, for example, you have this string, today is a sunny day, and I say, okay, I want to break this string about spaces. So in that case, delimiter is a space. So it says output is today is a sunny day. So you get all the tokens that are present inside this input string. So this is the concept of string tokenization, and there are multiple functions available in different languages, such as Python has a split function. So what we are going to do, we are look at some of the options that are available in C++, and later on we are also going to build our own tokenization function. Okay, so the first method that we will discuss is based upon a string stream class. So let us see this method in action, how we can use it. Okay, so what I will do, I will show you the demo how to use string stream. Okay, so what we will do, we will take string input. So we are going to accept input string, and when you have to take input inside a string object, we use the getLine function. So input, and here we have scene comma input, right? So this is an input string. Okay, and what we will do, we will create a string stream object. Okay, so let me show you string stream. Let us say buffer or whatever you want to call it as. Let us say ss, and we will initialize this string stream from the input string. Whatever input string we have, we will initialize this object. And if you read more about the string stream object, you can refer the documentation. This object supports the left shift and right shift operators, which allow us to read and write data to this stream. Okay, so this actually behaves like a buffer in which we can read data, and we can also write data. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this buffer to read data, right? So let's see how we can do it. So while getLine, I can say I'm going to say we are going to read from the string stream object, and we are going to store the output inside a word called token. Okay, and another parameter that we can give to the getLine function is a delimiter, right? So what we will do, we will say, okay, this will actually read, okay, let's say this is a sunny day. Okay, so it will read one token, say one word from this string stream, and it will put it inside the word token. Okay, in the variable token. Next time it is going to read is, and it is going to put it inside token. So we are going to continuously read all the tokens from this input string stream, and we are going to push them inside a vector. I can say tokens dot pushback token, and let's also create a vector of strings, and let's call it as tokens. And finally, once we have the vector, we can print it or do whatever we want to do. So we can print all the tokens. For auto token in tokens, we can say, okay, cout token followed by a comma. That's it. So let us try to run this code. So maybe today is a sunny day, and by default I'm assuming this delimiter is a space because I have written it in the code, but you can definitely change this delimiter to comma or something else as well, right? So that's all for this video. So this is one way to tokenize, and in the next video we will learn about one more function to perform tokenization. Thank you.